Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to build a cinematic spider-inspired landing page using Claude AI Fable 5 inside Visual Studio Code. I'll show you the complete workflow from a simple prompt to a polished website while explaining how to improve AI-generated results step by step. I'll start by opening my project directly from the terminal using a simple command. This is one of the fastest ways to launch a project in Visual Studio Code. Once the project is open, I'll switch to the Claude AI extension and select the Fable 5 model. Now we're ready to start building. My first prompt is intentionally simple. Instead of downloading copyrighted images from the internet, I ask Claude to generate an SVG placeholder using CSS and HTML. I also instruct it to clearly mark where I can replace the placeholder with my own images later. This approach keeps the project organized while giving us a strong starting point. Within a short time, Claude generates the first version of the landing page. It's a good starting point, but it's still far from the cinematic experience we're aiming for. Now I'm replacing the placeholder graphics with my own images collected from Pinterest for demonstration purposes. After adding those assets, it's time to improve the overall design. This video demonstrates the AI workflow using publicly accessible reference image links. If you're building a commercial project, make sure you have the appropriate rights or use properly licensed images. This is where prompt engineering becomes important. Instead of accepting the first result, I continue giving Claude more detailed instructions. I ask for a realistic city background, better lighting, higher quality visuals, more professional layouts, improved scrolling animations, better transitions, transparent character images, and smoother section reveals. Each new prompt improves the website even further. This is exactly how professional developers work with AI. The first result is rarely the final result. Better prompts lead to better websites. AI gives you the foundation, while your instructions shape the final product. I submit the prompt, Claude asks for confirmation before creating or modifying project files. You can simply approve each request by clicking Yes, allowing Claude to generate and save the necessary files. If you're using autopilot mode, this process can be handled automatically. To save time, I've skipped these confirmation prompts in this tutorial. After several refinements, the landing page now feels much more cinematic. The animations are smoother, the transitions are cleaner, the layout is more immersive, and the overall experience looks significantly more professional. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Code with Tharuka. In upcoming videos, we'll build even more advanced AI-powered websites and explore better prompt engineering techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.